What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. We're with the Commencal Meta HT AM build, the 2021 frame that you see in back. The last couple of videos, I put on the tires to the rims, and then I put on the brakes, the cassette, the derailleur, and now we're gonna move our way to the front, the tapered head tube. It needs the headset. It needs the cups to be pressed in. So I went out and got a Crane Creek, if this can focus right here. It's Crane Creek headset that fits the tapered head tube. Like I said, I got the two cups. They're right here. One for the bottom, one for the top. And I got a cheap tool off of Amazon. This is the tool itself. I ripped it off. It's just a threaded screw, threaded bolt, and then some spacers. And no, it's just a threaded bolt with some what looks like washers, but it's very thick. And then this upper portion right here has bearings, so you can press it in. I've seen a lot of DIY videos out there, kind of same concept. They're using a big threaded bolt and a bunch of spacers like these right here that you can find at Home Depot in the conduit section for the electrical. I've seen a lot of people do DIYs, but this whole thing right here was like $16, so I decided to pick it up, but I had a slight issue where the bottom cup is smaller. It just goes straight through than the washer itself. So this would not work. So I went out to Home Depot and bought a bag of these washers right here. I'm hoping to use this in conjunction with this right here, so it would work for the bottom cup. So sorry if it's not focusing. I'm hoping it would work like so. But before doing anything, I want to put these in the freezer to kind of make it shrink a little bit, to make it easier to push in. But we'll put these two cups into the freezer for like 15 minutes or so, and then we'll pull it out and we'll try to press it in with the tool. Alright guys, to prep the area, I'm just gonna get some grease and put it into the head tube. We'll get some grease and put it onto the cups itself, and then we'll set up the little press and everything. Alright, I got some on the cup itself. There's no logos or anything on the top one, so we'll just see.
Stop it. That's cut off. So what's it?
I got some tape on the bottom washers. I don't know if it's gonna scratch my frame or whatnot, so I just put a layer of tape in between to make sure it doesn't damage anything. But got some tape down here and some tape on the bottom plate right here that's pressing on. But let's try to crank this down and see what happens. Alright guys, the camera died and I did not realize that I ran out of memory space, and I pressed it in without recording the whole process. So I got the top cup in and the bottom cup in. It works. If you're buying this tool, it's the wash, I call this washer, but the plate, and this is an extra piece that I bought off of Home Depot. It's in the conduit section. I think it's 2.5 inch washer. You find this in the electrical section. You get a whole pack for like $1.25 or something like that. I got 4 pieces in here. That way it fits over the bottom cup. If you're using the supplied plate, it's too small, it just goes right through. So this allows me to have contact points with the cup, and it pushed it in pretty easily. I don't know if putting it into the freezer had anything to do with it, but to me it was pretty easy to push it in. Anyways guys, that's all from me today. This tool was only 16 bucks for everything, and then this piece right here was $1. So if you guys are going that route, I'll leave a link down in the description if you're looking for a similar tool. But I would just look for something that fits tapered tubes out from the get-go, so you don't have to go to Home Depot and get this. Anyways guys, that's all I have for today. We got the fork. We'll install the fork and everything in another video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.